NightOperators.com is an exceptional online destination that has truly redefined what it means to offer top-quality products paired with outstanding customer service and reliability. From the very first moment you visit their website, you can tell that this brand is built on professionalism, passion, and a genuine commitment to excellence. The layout of the site is beautifully designed, user-friendly, and incredibly easy to navigate, making the entire shopping process smooth and enjoyable for both new and returning customers. Every section of the site feels thoughtfully organized, with clear product descriptions, high-resolution images, and honest details that help shoppers make confident purchasing decisions. It's rare to find an online store that balances functionality and style so perfectly, but NightOperators.com manages to do it effortlessly. What truly sets NightOperators.com apart is the remarkable quality of their products. Each item feels carefully selected and crafted to meet the highest standards. Whether it's tactical gear, night vision equipment, outdoor survival essentials, or any of their specialized accessories, the attention to detail in their materials, durability, and performance is evident from the moment you unbox your order. Customers consistently praise how their products not only meet but often exceed expectations, delivering the kind of premium reliability that professionals and enthusiasts alike can depend on. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, a tactical enthusiast, or someone who values precision-made gear, NightOperators.com provides a level of quality that stands miles ahead of competitors. Beyond the products, the overall shopping experience is equally impressive. NightOperators.com ensures that every step, from browsing to checkout to delivery, is seamless and stress-free. Their payment process is secure, transparent, and straightforward, giving customers complete peace of mind. Orders are processed promptly, and shipping is consistently fast and efficient. Packages arrive on time, well-packed, and in perfect condition, showing how much care the team puts into ensuring a premium experience. It's clear that NightOperators.com takes its reputation seriously and values each customer's trust deeply. Customer service is another area where NightOperators.com truly shines. The support team is friendly, knowledgeable, and genuinely eager to assist. Whether you have a question about a product, need help with sizing or specifications, or simply want guidance on the best choice for your needs, they respond quickly and courteously. Their dedication to customer satisfaction goes beyond expectations. They don't just sell products. They build lasting relationships with their clients. This level of care and communication makes customers feel valued, respected, and confident in their purchases. Another impressive aspect of NightOperators.com is their consistent commitment to authenticity and transparency. Every product listed on their site comes with accurate descriptions and clear information about its features, ensuring there are no surprises or misleading claims. This honesty, combined with the superior quality of their offerings, has earned them a stellar reputation among buyers who prioritize trustworthiness in online shopping. The reviews and testimonials from happy customers reflect the same sentiment, praising not only the excellence of their gear, but also the professionalism of the entire team. In a world where online shopping can often be hit or miss, NightOperators.com stands as a beacon of reliability, trust, and superior performance. It's a company that takes pride in its products, values its customers, and delivers excellence at every level. Whether you're shopping for personal use, professional applications, or gifting purposes, you can rely on NightOperators.com to provide the best quality, service, and satisfaction possible. Their passion for perfection truly shines through every interaction, making them one of the most dependable and impressive online retailers out there today. In every way imaginable, product quality, customer care, delivery speed, and overall shopping experience, NightOperators.com sets the gold standard, and it's easy to see why so many customers